So yan guys, we are here in a strawberry farm here in Taip. Oh, like a sounds, there's a falls. There's kubo. There's a waterfalls here. Let's see. So guys, wow, the water is coming from the mountain. Oh, keep safe. Joanne, there's a baby. Oh, there's a live chicken. There's a pabo guys. A pabo there. There's a swimming baby. Yeah, there's a small car.
Wala ba nakamat?
Wow.
Manukan pala to.
I thought,
strawberry farm, bakit puro bibe?
can I have one? This inahin. Inahin in tandang. Wait guys, I'm looking for hamam. There's a swimming baby. There's a small car, mini car. Wait guys.